Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to share virtual game cards with friends and family. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to lend your virtual game card to your brother or sister. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to where it says virtual game cards. Next, you want to click on the account whose virtual game cards you want to go ahead and see. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on the game that you want to go ahead and lend. So let's say that we want to go ahead and lend Hades. Just click on Hades, then click on lend to family group member, and then click on select a user to lend to. But keep in mind that you can only lend a game out for about 14 days at a time. So click on select user and then go ahead and select the user who you want to share the virtual game card to. If you don't see that user here, you can click on add to family group. And with that, the person can actually scan this QR code and then you can send the virtual game card that way. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share a virtual game card with a friend or family member. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.